Unit 2. Anong babay mo yan? Tres siya. Wala ka pa naman nilagay na pera.
Wala pa lang nilagay.
Oh.
Like this?
Yeah.
Straight na. Straight. Straight. Again. Yan, straight.
The five.
Okay.
Wait. Wait. I like this.
Pag ganyan. Yan, pag ganyan. Sige. Insert mo, insert.
Wait.
Oo.
Why?
Again.
Straight na ka, straight.